Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joanna April. I'm the admin of the page Become a Flight Attendant Philippines and also future Filipino FA/Cabin Crews Philippines group. So the reason why I created a video right now, it's because I have been receiving a lot of messages from people because they don't know where to apply, or um, they were asking how to become a cabin crew and etc etc. So abagan nyo na lang yung next video ko kasi sa ngayon nasa labas pa ako. um, Hindi maganda kasi yung gumawa ng video sa labas. And also ayun, please always read my post because it's already there. Incomplete details na nga eh. Babasahin nyo na lang. So, to avoid spoon feeding and everything, always check my post every now and then, and also check the events from my page because all the events are already there. So, ayun lang naman. Once again, this is Joanna. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.